Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I'm pretty excited to show you an all-new boat. So Aviara Boats just came out with this all-new AV28. So this is a 28-foot boat. It has an 8.6 beam and roughly 7,000 pound dry weight. So awesome boat for a little bit bigger water or river or whatever you want to do. But at 28 feet, there's some cool stuff to show you. Obviously the outside, very distinctive look to the Aviara. We got the white and the black, so black bottom, black accent with the white on the hull side. This has a power bimini on top of this boat. And then as we come into the back, we've got a beautiful swim platform back here. This does fold down into the water, so swim platform that you can manually bring down into the water. We've got a couple speakers in the back. You've got your nice sea decking back here that's nice and soft on your feet. We did have this one optioned with the trim tabs, underwater lights, and then the power plant is the Mercury. It's a 6.2, 350 horsepower IO with Bravo 3. So lots to show you on the inside. Real excited to walk you through this all-new AV28. So come on aboard. All right, welcome aboard the AV28. I want to start in the back here. This is a great place to hang out if you are anchored somewhere. What's really cool is there is a lock that you can unlock in the back, and you can actually pull that whole thing out a little bit. So if you got something that's a little bit taller, it will go out a little bit further so their legs don't all hang out. But really cool place to hang out. You've got some controls for the stereo. Down in this area right here, if we open this up, that does have some storage down there for your fenders. So there's 4 different slots in there for your fenders. So lots to see on the interior here. So why don't you come in with me? All right, welcome to the cockpit of the AV28. Tons of seating in this boat. Bring all your friends. I've got seating here all the way that wraps around. And as you can see, we got the nice teak table right here, which does fold up when you're not using it, but great place to hang out, have a conversation with family and friends. Cup holders all over, some nice grab handles here. Again, cup holders here, some places for your phones to be set for you and your friends. This is a nice backrest. This does move backward and forward. So depending on who's sitting here, there is a bolster seat here as well for somebody that wants to sit forward. We got some storage in the floor, nice deep storage to put some things. And then here at the captain's chair, this seat does also move forward and back with a bolster as well. And then when we come to the helm, we've got this amazing looking steering wheel. We got the nice A right in there for Aviara, obviously, but really futuristic looking steering wheel. A lot of fun to drive these. So it looks kind of cool. This does have a tilt wheel. And then up in here, we have a 12-inch SIMRAD system. You got all your GPS. You got a whole bunch of other things in here that can help you out on the water and navigate. And then right over here is your information throughout the boat. So we've got our courtesy lighting, pretty easy. Just turn them on and off. Works just like an iPad. You got your music that you can control, and then some other things. We got a cooled cup holder, freshwater pump. There's just a bunch of different things in here that you can use. And then obviously, like I mentioned before, the Mercury 6.2 350 does have the digital throttle and shift. So super smooth around dock slip or just when you're ready to hit it. So great spot for the captain to sit. And then I want to show you one other place right here. On a 28-foot, we've got a beautiful appointed head. So we've got the head down there with a sink, pretty deep, so anybody can accommodate and use the head. And then we come up to the bow. What you notice about the 28 and the Aviara in general, a lot of their bows are super deep, so you feel very comfortable in the bow. You feel very safe, especially if you have young children on board and the water's a little bit rough. It's a very safe place to be in the bow of the boat. Just like in the cockpit, we've got some cup holders here. We got a place for a phone. We got plug-ins. We got some storage underneath the seats. So great place to hang out with the family and friends. And then one other thing I want to show you is the windlass anchor. So you have access to this windlass anchor right here in the bow. You can get it right here, or you can hit the buttons in the cockpit area. All right, I appreciate you joining me aboard the all-new Aviara 28-foot. This is the, again, AV28. It is here at our Rogers location. If you'd like to come take a look at it, we can set up an appointment if you want to give us a call, or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. As always, please click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.